Hello everyone, it's Splash Kid, and we're here with another gaming video. And yeah, so anyways, we're here with another gaming video. And we're playing the one and only skin. I have this dirt bike that's sick. If you can see it. Change vehicle, but yeah, this dirt bike is sick. I love it. It's like blue and red. Then if we go up here, oh, the house phone was ringing. I'm sorry. Just gotta pause it real quick. Anyways, I got this. It's a Blaze, and if you see, it's like the seats are like half and half, like half one different color. And then we got these bikes that I didn't hook up yet, and these two I get on level 25. But I think, yeah, I'm trying to get this one maxed out. For like this one, as you see, already got 3 stars. I'm trying to get this one 3 stars. So wait, what the heck did I do? Trying to get this one 3 stars. So I'm just gonna do a race. And yeah, see you guys in like when I'm done. Okay, so I started it and getting ready for the race, and this should be good because like I have no idea why it should be good, but I love this dirt bike. It's sick. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys when we start racing. We have started racing, and yeah, so let's go. Woo! So, got this. Perfect launch. No, this guy's in front of me. I got this. Come on. Come on, Gabriel. Come on, Gabriel. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on, Gabriel. Come on, Gabriel. You got this. You got this. Woo! Let's go. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was crazy. Sorry for the noise. My birds are just crazy. And yeah, so that was a wide turn. Oh, no, no. Run, go, 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 go. Go, no, go. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Gabriel, run. Run, Gabriel. Come on, come on. Oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. No! Right in front of the finish line, but I got something. Backflip. Yeah. Yeah, you like that? Oh. You like that? Backflip. And if you guys didn't know, this was not my first Xbox. This is not my first time playing this game. That's why I'm so good at it. So no one can ever beat me at this game. Probably a grown-up, but let's go. I'm getting online pretty soon, so I'll probably it'll be harder because I'll be with some people playing, maybe. And I'll be playing GTA. This is awesome. I got this. Oh my god. No! Why does this always only happen to me? Wait, guys, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. My dogs were just being mean to my sister. And if you didn't see in the last episode of YouTube, we, uh, I think it was the, what is it? It was Would You Rather challenge, and yeah, and I did another one where I showed you guys how to love your dog, and yep, so, and I went on YouTube on here, on my Xbox, and I saw one of my videos, and I was like, okay, cool, and I was like, I was so happy because, like, I got to see my videos on like a flat screen TV, and I showed my mom. I think I showed my mom, but it was so, like, awesome. It was so, like, I had no idea what to say. Let's just keep on playing. No, this is the part where it messes me up. But that's not going to happen now, because we do backflip. Yes! I love dirt bikes. They're awesome, just like the cars. I love electronics. What? These are not even electronics. Oh my god. I mess up with my words. Like, it's like I'm so nervous when I go on YouTube, and like I just get nervous. Like, if you're a YouTuber, I don't know if that happens to you, but it happens to me a lot. And a lot of people watched my little show. I think like 54 people watched the little, or 40, 45 watched that. I can't wait until it's over. Then I guess probably leveled up. Sorry if it's taking so long, because this is just... But I love riding dirt bikes. My dogs are fighting right next to me, but I love riding dirt bikes. On this game, and in real life. I rode a 50 in real life. And I think it was in my old apartment. It was cool. Yeah, I think I might be getting a dirt bike, and I think in real life, not in this game, I might be getting one, and yeah. So if you guys ever had a dirt bike like that was big, no, I had no. If you guys ever had a dirt bike, it's fun. You should try it if you don't have one. It's very fun. I don't have one. I just was able to ride one. It was awesome. And I'm about to overlap you. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go. Overlap two other guys, and it's only the 5th lap. Let's go. Would you guys stop fighting? You guys fight too much. I'm talking to my dogs. They're fighting all the time. The guy in 2nd place is 45 seconds away from me. I remember one time I was riding a dirt bike, and like the guy was like 200 seconds away from me, and it was crazy. But if you have this game, it's fun. You gotta get this game. You gotta get a dirt bike in real life. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna, yeah, so Okay, I had to cut out some of it because I wanted to save some time. I'm on the 7th lap, and yeah, and okay, well, we're on the 8th lap, and one more lap, and then we'll be finished. And I'll see if I got any like stuff to make me like jump higher and make me faster. We'll make this bike faster. And yeah, so I'm like I overlapped some people already. I don't think I overlapped the whole everybody racing, but I overlapped some people. And yeah, so I'm just trying to finish this race, but it's taking long. I fell a couple times when I cut some footage out, but no, I didn't cut some footage out. I'm so stupid. Why would he just jumped over me. What? Yeah, you wanna do that? Bye. Can't believe it. But it's okay, because when I finish this, gotta finish it. The finish line is right there. Finish line is right there. Finish line is right there. Backflip. Yes. Backflip. Look at the guy. He's still going. Well, yeah, I won the race, and yep, so yes, you got Slayer Pro goggles from the toy. I don't know. But we didn't get to level up. As you see, it's still only right here. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.